stand and deliver, honey.
Boy, mama, sweet, sexy thing.
Watch it. Here comes Ann Margaret. Keep an eye on your zippers.
One thing you can be sure of, Hippo, is when I'm around, your body is safe.
Lindy, where's my money?
Sly, you know I ain't got no sweet potatoes today.
Hi, I'm Floyd. Oh, Hollywood, Hollywood. Hi, I'm Floyd. Ho! And I'm Lloyd. And we're the Futuristic. Sitting by my telephone, waiting for my woman to call. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. I don't know what I did wrong. I just wish that she would come back home. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Do it. Do it. I do it, uh-huh, I do it, uh-huh, I do it, I do it, I do it, do it. Ha! All right. We got an audition for an agent today. How'd you like our new opening?
What you think about it?
Well, it's improving.
You know any country music?
No. That's all right. We was cool. Hey, look, Hollywood, together, man. Kiss my wrist.
What's wrong, brother? You going to a funeral?
Carry on, honey. Ritsy titsy.
Hey, you know, somebody around here got to have a little class.
Ooh, little is right.